Here's a forklift. This forklift is going to move forward, and we'll say it moves forward 48 feet. Here's a gas pump. We'll say it needs to refill its tank with 5 gallons of gasoline. When we actually use these kinds of quantitative measurements, we're using units. But feet and gallons are actually not common units for science use, and they're certainly not the only units that we could use to measure these two different quantities. So let's imagine we needed to know how many kilometers 48 feet was. And let's imagine we wanted to convert our 5 gallons into milliliters. We got to get the equivalencies. So here we know 12 inches is a foot. Turns out an inch is 2.54 centimeters, 100 centimeters is a meter, and 1,000 meters is a kilometer. So that's what we need for the length. For the volume, a gallon, 3.785 liters, a liter, 1,000 milliliters, and that's all we need. So here's how we do the problem. We're going to make our great big multiplication grid so that we can use all of our equivalencies as conversion factors the way we do with the method. And I think I'm going to need 4 of them. So I'm going to draw out my grid like this, and then I'm going to start with my given value, 48 feet, written as a fraction over 1. Here are my equivalencies. 12 inches is a foot, 2.54 centimeters is an inch, a meter is 100 centimeters, a kilometer 1,000 meters. And I wrote those each so that each term could cancel. See, my feet cancel with the feet in the denominator. My 12-inch inches cancel the 1-inch inch. All my units are canceling. My centimeters below are canceled by the centimeters above. And then even my meter cancels out with the meter of the 1,000 meters. And I'm only left with 1 unit. Kilometers. That's my unit. So now I multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators and divide the final answer, and I will divide 1463 in the top divided by 100,000 in the bottom and get 0.01463.